Hello and welcome to a new video of Team Tries. Today we are in Toverland in Netherlands. And the first attraction we're gonna do is Fēnix, because we only have to wait 5 minutes, so it's not a long time, so it's easy.
Now.
Yeah. We got Fēnix is a B&M wing coaster and it's built, I believe, in 2018.
Okay.
Yeah. And you know, B&M is very famous for the smoothness and some power. So yeah, we're gonna do this roller coaster. We're gonna give you our opinion when we're coming off. We're gonna give you our honest review about this roller coaster when we're coming off. So see you soon.
Electronic. Helt zo'n schokje in dan weer zo. Wat hebben we er voor zin in?
Oh yeah!
Ik ook, hè?
Ben je hier niks, hè?
Ja? Shit, maat. Echt een G-power, man.
Dat begon ineens zo. Dat was zalig.
Ja, nodig het.
Ik kan niet. Dat was echt zo, wat op.
Wow.
Damn. Dat was echt wel zalig.
Wow, ik kon ook niet. Ik zeg, wat gebeurt hier?
Hell. Dat was wel fantastisch.
Hey!
Hi.
We just had our first ride on a Fēnix.
Yeah.
Wow, what a ride!
Good one.
A good one, huh?
It's faster.
Yeah, it's really fast. And well, it's the first ride of the day, so we're waking up really good
We
right now.
start well.
Really well. Well, this roller coaster is fast, it's intense. Yeah, everything what you can expect from a B&M roller coaster and a wing coaster. Yeah.
It's comfortable.
Yeah.
Don't feel painful.
No, it's very smooth also. Yeah.
The seats are well. I like
Yeah,
it.
yeah. 3 inversions. We had some 3 inversions also in this roller coaster. Wow, I really enjoyed it. Really
Nico.
enjoyed it. Yeah. So, did you do this roller coaster already? Just put below in the comments. And if you like this video, just put your thumbs up.
And follow, eh?
Yeah,
Continue.
subscribe also because we need you.
Yes.
Okay, see you for the next video.
See
Bye bye.
you. Bye bye.